Hey, Ryder, what the hell you doing?
You drive, CJ, seeing as you missed the driver and all.
Not your shit, dude. Don't give me a hard time about my driving. I ain't got the energy for it, man.
Well, don't go roll the damn car over and blow us all up in flames then.
Nah, I ain't rising to your shit, man.
Good. Means you concentrate on the road then.
You love to give a homie a hard time.
Just trying to keep my soldiers alive, nigga.
By nagging them to death?
Watch the road, motherfucker. The road. Yeah, here we go.
That's our train, all right. Shit, look like some Northside Vagos got it first.
Oh, what's this? We got ballers trying to crash the party?
Look like Tenpenny told every gang in South Central.
Man, we gonna smoke those baller assholes. Go check out the train, CJ.
Damn, what is that?
Chill out, fool. We gonna be right behind you. Throw me some boxes, CJ. I got it. Nice throw, fool. Bullseye. Trying to kill me. Can't stop me. Okay, CJ, that's all I can carry. Hop in the car and stab out, fool. Man, we got one time on our tail.
Man, it's a family car, Corp.
One time can't stop me, I'm incredible. Head back to Grove Street, fool.
He'd rather give you song than silver. Budweiser buckles and soft faded rains, and each night begins a new day. If you can't understand him, then he don't have you. He'll probably just ride away. Mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. Don't let them big guitars and drive old trucks. Make them be doctors and lawyers and such. Mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys.
Put my seatbelt on.
They'll never stay home and they're always alone. Even with
Damn, homie, your stuff was tight.
Yeah, you too, homie.
LB's coming over to stash the shit.
cowboy loves smoky old cool rooms and clear mountain moors.
Okay, later then.
For life, CJ. For life, you heard?